Hello lovely followers, welcome to today's video. We will be taking a tour with Hotfoot Tours to the marine world. We'll be going to Molinere Sculpture Park and Flamingo Bay. Now, if you want to do this tour, you can use the promo code BL10 and click the link to book now. You will get 10% using the promo code BL10. The pickup point is at the jetty in Granans near the Arts and Crafts Center. The experience was amazing. I'm not going to speak too much about it, but you can see it's a total new thing. You can see as you drive, as you cross the water, you can see almost everything that's visible that you can see. The corals, the fishes. The corals are not so healthy in that area, but as you drive out, you can see the wildlife, the fishes, the plants. It's so amazing. Bring a friend, bring a group, and go explore Molinere and other areas that Hotfoot Tours have to provide for you. For those of you who just joined the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I have done a diving video or snorkeling in this area before in Molinere, so you could check it out to see the more detailed underwater look of the sculptures. I've missed a few when I went diving, but there's more to see in this video.
Carnival statue.
Carnival, okay.
Every year, we celebrate Carnival as a form of celebration for freedom of sleep. So if you look closely, see the different types of Carnival. See the guy with big horns in, that's a job. The guy with a big jacket and a big pointy hat, that is called a Beko. Another guy with a big jacket and a face mask on his head, that is known as a short knee. There's also a lady with some pretty feather-like wings on her back, that is known as a pretty mask. Also, we have this one right there, the guy with a crown on his head, that is known as the Wild Indian. It's a lady standing on a Christ the Lamb, sits there for this day.
Now, if you have made it to this far, to the end of this video, this is Flamingo Bay, where we observed the shipwreck of the bathtub, named the Bathtub. It's apparently a Cuban ship that sank many years ago off the coast in Flamingo Bay. Thank you for watching so much, guys. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, use the promo code BL10 to get 10% off of all services provided by Hotfoot Tours. So make sure to book now and you click the link in the description below to do so now.